Hello, Jennifer Milne. Have a happy 3-7. Because your kids are no longer teething. Scott left the house so there's no more screaming. And your boyfriend is good looking with a brain. He isn't lame. Now it's time for silence. I guess that dentist let one go. You had a bunion on your toe. In Redwood Bridge is where you reside. You drive an Outback, it's a cool ride. And you hire a German to come and be your au pair. Every year you support her finance. You have a really good career, computer software engineer. Ergonomics saves your back, you know. Did they teach you that at U of O? Instead of going out and taking shots, they just smoke pot. Hippies don't like violence. Fool said you do not know. She dyes her hair until it grows. Just look into those big green eyes and take a bite of her delicious pies, and you'll see how she's the coolest Christmas host. I like her roast. She promotes compliance, pumping out your greeting cards while watching Dancing with the Stars. You like a single Velveeta slice. When Susan chopped your hair, it wasn't nice. And again, we wanted to sing happy birthday to you. This song ends soon with the end of this sentence.
You want to smell it, honey? Here, you can smell it. I'm sorry, bud. That was funny.